batch 264, Nigerian Guidance School, Group 5, Cycle 8. And this is my MMM ideology and what is MMM, how it works, rules and benefits. MMM ideology. The main goal why Sir John Marbrody created this community is to fight the unfair financial system of the world, where the rich become richer and the poor become poorer. It aims to demolish the unfair world by making MMM. We can achieve financial freedom. Thanks to the financial eclipse is inevitable and unavoidable. What is MMM? MMM is a global community of financial aid and donation exchange. It is a peer-to-peer system. Participants transfer donation directly to the account of other members. They are assigned system reward called Marble, enjoyed by the active participant and manager. MMM is not a bank, business, company, nor an investment. It has no central account. We do not transfer our money to MMM. Instead, we send our donation directly to the participant's account. These are no promises, no guarantee beside the donations to those participants who join the community that need help. There's no law that says donations are illegal. How MMM works. MMM is a community of people providing each other financial help on the principle of gratitudeness, reciprocity, and benevolence. In MMM, you don't need to have a contract or pledge of a property. There are no lenders and debtors. Its idea is very simple. One participant asks for help, another one provides help. The only thing that MMM demands from its participants is to be honest and kind to each other. You can get financial assistance when you need it, and you provide financial assistance when you are able to do it. When you are already a member of MMM, you have your personal office, PO. You can see a provide help and a get help icon. Provide help means to donate or give financial assistance, and to get help means to ask for financial assistance or donation. How your donation works. The amount of your donation is $100. You will receive $100 Marble in your PO. You can get 30% growth per month until the time for your own get help. After 1 month, if you decide to get help, you can ask and receive $130, which means $100 plus your 30% growth. How to send and receive donation. MMM use Bitcoin in sending and receiving donations. Bitcoin is a digitalized currency. You can create a Bitcoin wallet in the www.blockchain.info. Rules of MMM. In MMM, people are allowed only with one account. Multiple accounts are prohibited. We must be honest and be fair to all. We must be responsible for our own account. We must not cheat the system by making dummy accounts. All of the participants should be cautious and obedient enough to obey the MMM ideology, which is helping each other. We must follow the rules to obtain financial freedom and must help each other from the longevity of the system. Benefits of MMM. First, after you provide help, you can get 30% growth per month from the amount you provided, and you can get bonus from your first provide help that range from $20 to $100. You can also get 10% referral bonus of the amount provided by each of your invites. If you are a manager, you can get 5% from second level, 3% from the third level, 1% from the fourth level, and so on. After you get help, if you make a video of your successful get help aside from the letter of happiness, you are given 5% from the total amount of your get help. Manager bonuses. Managers of the MMM community can create their own multi-level structures and get a bonus from each of the donation of every participant in their structure make. This is a multi-level bonus, thus a manager can have his own leader who rank is higher. Manager bonus depend on his level in the community. For example, manager bonus, 5% from the second level, 3% from the third level, 1% from the fourth level, 0.5% from the fifth level, 0.03% from the sixth level, 0.1% from the seventh level, 0.05% from the eighth level, 0.03% from the ninth level, 0.01% from the 10th level to infinity. So what are you waiting for? Be a part of this community, and together we can change the world.